Hello, my wonderful audience. In this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can make an essential item at home, even though you don't have a sewing machine. Hope you can see the line of the sewing. The line of the sewing is covered. I made it with just needle and thread. Hope you love this pillowcase. I'll be explaining to you. I use my old dresses in making this. Okay, now look at the material I'll be using in making this pillowcase with just my needle and thread. And note that you have to watch this video to the end so you will see the measure part of this video is at the end, so the finishing of it. Okay, now the material, I'm folding it into two. I just fold it into two and I take out the length measurement. Make sure you arrange it. Now the length measurement will be 19 inches. Hope you saw that, 19. Now I just fold it into two. Now I fold it again, ties into four places. Hope you see what I just did. Now hope you can see it. Now I already told you I take out 19 inches. Please don't forget to click the like button and also drop a comment at the end of this video. Okay, I just mark it out. Now in this place I will be making a freehand curve at this place with my chalk. Freehand curve. Now after you must have marked out the shape, like I make the edges will be curved, so I'll be trimming out. Note that if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, also on the notification bell for more tutorial, for more amazing and enlightening tutorial. Okay, now I've already cut out the shape. Now hope you can see how curved it is. Let me see how it is. I just open it up. Okay, now you take out your needle that you have already put your thread. I use black thread so that you will see how I stitch this. Just watch very carefully. You see how the process I use in stitching it, so that it will be firm. When you stitch, you also go back and stitch and take the stitch backward. But you see how I'm stitching it. That's how a good way to stitch with hand. Look at the back. Now I'm almost done. Look at the back of my stitch. Now note that you are not going to stitch to the end, because you are going to open it up and make a space where you can put your fabric. You can put your dresses, that is old dresses. Okay, now I just open it up. Hope you can see the thread is hidden inside. Now that place you make a space, you're going to put the fabric inside. The old dresses inside of it. Now look at the finishing of this. Look at how, hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Also take from here and you drag it up. it automatically stitched. Now you also take from this side, also take again. That's how you'll be stitching it till you reach the mouth. Know that more tutorial, I'll be dropping more tutorial on this channel. So if you derive value from this video, don't hesitate to click the subscribe button. Also drop a comment. Also check the comment section for more tutorial. I'll be dropping a tutorial there.